All right, welcome back. Of all the qualities that make a couple happy and successful in the long run, one of the most essential is a satisfying love life. Something like erectile dysfunction can put a serious dent in that and in intimacy. So Bill Jeffries from Flagstone Medical is here with a solution. It's nice to have you here.
Thanks, Alex. Good to be here.
So we're talking, again, ED, erectile dysfunction. It turns out it can affect men at any age, right?
Absolutely. We've seen patients from their 20s into their 90s, and the basic cause of erectile function generally is lack of adequate blood flow, and that can be caused by a number of issues, but our doctors can evaluate that and correct the problems regardless of age.
Well, and we're seeing some illustrations here of how this particular therapy is different than other methods of fixing ED, and it's called acoustic wave therapy. Talk about the technology, what we're seeing here, and how that works.
Sure. The way acoustic wave therapy works is that we use an acoustic energy wave. It's similar to the process that is used to break up kidney stones, where they use a type of ultrasound to break up those kidney stones. We use the same technology, but a different frequency, different intensity, and break up the blockages, and it actually promotes new blood flow to the area, and it just works marvelously to restore function naturally.
Well, and we've seen and heard about other methods. I mean, something even including needles. Who would want that to happen? But it is something that's been used before, and pills and whatnot. So how is this fundamentally different? Why is it better for a person to use it?
Well, not to knock on the other remedies, because they have their place, but they don't deal with the root cause of ED, which is the blood flow issue. And that's where the acoustic wave therapy comes in. The picture on the screen now is a picture of the handpiece from the acoustic wave generator that we use. And we apply these acoustic waves at very specific spots to open up blood vessels, promote new blood flow, and we can do it without injections, without drugs, and without surgery.
And without side effects, most importantly. You're not going to have to deal with anything other than fixing the issue that may have been ailing you for a long time. So is this safe for men who might have pre-existing conditions like diabetes and heart conditions?
Absolutely. Diabetes in particular, one of the manifestations of it is that it causes constrictions in blood vessels and causes circulatory problems. The acoustic wave therapy can overcome those circulatory problems that guys with diabetes have, and because there's no drugs involved in our process, we don't have those drug interaction issues.
Yeah, and it's one of those conversations that's hard to start. You know, first you have to start it with yourself, or maybe your partner has to start it with you, or you with your partner, and that's where Flagstone comes in. They make it sort of a seamless, easy experience. And what do viewers do if they think, my guy needs something like this? We need to address this problem. How do you start that conversation?
It's hard for guys to talk about this issue. It just is. They feel insecure about it. It damages self-esteem. So, if your partner needs this kind of help, understand that even if he's not talking about it, he's feeling pretty badly about it. And so my advice would be to get educated about it, understand that it's not his fault. It's something that happens. Sometimes even guys that are, fairly young, 20s, 30s, 40s, we're seeing a larger incidence of ED issues, but we do have a solution. It's not a life sentence. We can fix it. Also, guys that have Peyronie's disease and guys that have it know that they have it, but this is a very, very effective treatment to deal with that as well.
Right, and the office experience, like I was mentioning earlier, you can ask anything. You can just talk about whatever you need to talk about with the experts there. They'll guide you through, right? Talk about very quickly the experience going in for the first time and then what it's like afterwards.
We spent a lot of time and thought with the whole office experience. This is our specialty. It's all we do, all day, every day. We create a safe environment for guys to come in and talk about their ED issues. They're among friends, and we don't do other things in this medical office, so you're not sitting next to the kid with a broken arm or whatever. We create an environment where men can come and get the information and the help that they need to overcome the issue.
That's right. A lot of great information as always. I'm going to let them know. Great special that's going on too. So
It's a fantastic special, yes.
Thank you as always. Nice to see you.
Thanks, Alex.
Here's a special offer for March. Get a voucher for $300 off any treatment plan when you call to schedule an exam and consultation. Be sure to mention the Morning Blend special when you book. You can book it by calling 520-600-4405 or visit flagstonemedical.com.